When it comes to camper van designs, most people are familiar with the typical white, minimalist style, often combined with light wooden elements. However, if you're looking for something different, something with character and a real sense of style, this Mercedes-Benz Sprinter camper van might just be the perfect fit. It takes the rugged, off-road capability of a Sprinter and combines it with a Western-inspired interior, including a unique touch of cowhide upholstery. This one-of-a-kind 2023 camper van is built by ActiVan, a company based in Reno, Nevada, known for its custom Sprinter conversions. Whether it's for weekend adventures or full-time living, ActiVan specializes in making vans that combine luxury and practicality. Their builds are tailored to each customer's specifications, but this particular rig is based on their popular Cypress floor plan. What sets this van apart is not just its all-wheel drive capability, which ensures it can handle a variety of off-road conditions, but also its exterior upgrades. This rig rides on black Reno wheels, wrapped in all-terrain tires, and features some of the best off-road gear available. At the front, you'll find an ActiVan's Pismo bumper, complete with Baja Design's light pods and a worn winch, perfect for off-grid adventures or any unexpected obstacles on the road. To ensure even more off-road readiness, the van is equipped with agile off-road RIP suspension, providing a 2-inch lift over the stock ride height. For those who love adventure and need extra space for equipment, this van has it all. At the rear, you'll find two ActiVan's carriers, one with a tall aluminum cargo box and the other with a pair of bike trays. A roof rack offers even more storage space, holding solar panels, an Fiamma awning, and a max air vent fan, making it perfect for extended off-grid stays. When you step inside, the van transforms into a cozy, Western-inspired cabin on wheels. The interior features dark tones with black and gray cabinetry, complemented by reclaimed barnwood ceilings and amber accents. But the standout design element is undoubtedly the cowhide upholstery, used not only on the bench seating but also on the driver and passenger seats. This unique touch gives the van a truly luxurious and rustic feel, making it feel like a high-end ranch cabin on wheels. Inside, ActiVan has created a space that feels surprisingly open, as there are no dividing walls between the driver's cabin and the living area. This openness adds to the feeling of space and light, making the van feel larger than its compact size suggests. The seating area is equipped with a cowhide upholstered bench, which hides a massive chest-style fridge/freezer. Both the driver and passenger seats can swivel to face the living area, and a mountable table can be set up, allowing for easy dining or working space. For those who want to combine work and play, there's even a TV built into the wall behind the couch and a webcam for video meetings. The Starlink satellite system ensures reliable internet access wherever you are, making this van the ultimate remote office on wheels. The kitchen area is thoughtfully designed with a butcher block countertop, a 2-burner induction stovetop, and ample storage in cabinets and drawers. It also has a deep sink, a pull-out faucet, and a microwave, everything you need to cook up meals during your travels. And for those long trips, there's even a wet bathroom featuring a toilet and shower. At night, the van offers comfort with a king-size bed, complete with overhead storage and a 24-inch TV that can be swiveled to any position for easy viewing. The van speed capsules add an extra 8 inches of width, ensuring the bed is large enough for a restful night's sleep. But the luxury doesn't stop there. The van's garage offers additional storage, accessible both inside and outside. The solar-powered electrical system and freshwater tank ensure that off-grid living is possible, and the plumbing system includes a water heater, water pump, and an outdoor shower port. All in all, this Sprinter camper van by ActiVan offers the perfect blend of luxury, ruggedness, and functionality. It's a tiny home on wheels that's ready for adventure, whether you're exploring the wild or simply escaping to a remote location. While ActiVan doesn't disclose the price of its custom builds, it's safe to say that this van costs well over $200,000, making it a premium option for those seeking the ultimate camper van experience.